Hi guys, and welcome to Tony's DIECAST Restos. Today I'm participating in Deep Junk Garage's Shop Truck Challenge. I'm a little bit late with this one, but here you know what they say, better late than never. Anyway, this is what I'm doing. It's the Matchbox K5 racing car transporter. Originally it held 2 racing cars in the back and came as a set. As you can see, it's in some sort of British racing green colour. Decals are all scratched off. All the tyres are loose. Back door's missing. The 2 levels still work okay though. The devoutly storers out there might want to look away now because this is an extreme custom on this car. I'm doing some cutting. So let's start off with these rivets. The usual 6mm drill to take the heads off. It's always nice to have a sharp drill, makes the work easier. Just giving them a little bit of a wobble there, just to take the extreme edges. There's only the 2 rivets in this, and at the back there's 2 tabs that hold the base on. That's that off. Let's take it apart and see what's inside then. There we go. It's the glass full length of the car there, held in with a couple of rivets. Nice cream interior, reasonably clean. And that's the top layer there, held on by a bar there with a pan head on the top. Right, let's take the end off that and try and get it apart. Get the Dremel on it. Not much of a lip on there. That's straight off. Nice and easy. So the axles are a bit awkward on this. They're all rusted on, the wheels won't turn. The tyres came off very easy because they were all slack. I'm just trying to get a bit of an end on here so I can Dremel the end off as I normally do. The hubs won't really move though. No. Just going to knock that hub down the axle slightly, just get a bit of end on the axle there. Yeah, that seemed to have worked. Okay, here we go, Dremel time. You can see the rust on the axle there. Managed to fix the switch on my Dremel eventually. Used a piece of old paper clip that I soldered onto the switch. And then the switch came from China. I've got that packed away somewhere now because the repair is actually better than the original. Anyway, let's see how we get on with this. I took the edge off there. Oh, it's still stuck on, rusted. Try and pushed out reasonably easy that still stuck on the end there. A little bit of persuasion with the pliers and it's off. Yeah, you can see the rust, look at that. This is the other one. That's the little lip off. So easily this one comes off. Not very easy. Again, I try and push the axle through. No, that never worked. I eventually got it off with the pliers. So there we go, it's all the parts. And here is the caustic soda shot, as always. You can see I used a bucket because the parts were quite big. And now I'm just going to clean these axles up a bit. As you can see, I couldn't get this hub off, so I'm taking the rust off first. might help a little bit. Okay, this is the second one, even more rusty. Once I got to that point, squirt WD-40 on the hubs, try and loosen them off. Bit of persuasion with the pliers. And there we go. Hub off the axle. So I'm finished that off now. That's that. And the second one, as you can see, the hub's still on there. And that's that off. You can see the rust holding it on there. Look at that. Now onto the window cleaning. Window wasn't particularly bad, so I just used this plastic cleaner I've got. A couple of stubborn marks on the side windows there. It's been very careful because they're the thinnest part. That seems to be about it. And then the skylight, and of course the inside. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Super shiny. A few faint scratches on there. Oh, what am I doing? This looks fatal. Yeah, I'm destroying the window. I should have really done this before I cleaned it, but there you go. I don't always work in the correct order, but I get there at the end. That's that off. I'm just going to clean this edge up a little bit. And a little bit of file down. I need to leave as little as possible on here. There we go. I think I'm finished. Yeah. Okay, that's it out the caustic soda. 3 parts. That's the body, that's the middle section, and that's the base. Didn't leave a speck of paint on those. Right, here we go. As I said earlier, if you're a devout restorer of cars, you might want to look away for this part because I'm removing some metal. This pen I'm using is not very good. You can't really see it on the camera. This is just roughing it out, trying to work out where I'm going to cut off. That's the first attempt. That's a mistake I'm crossing off. Yeah, that's not bad. That's okay. Okay, I've swapped pens now. And the shape's going to change a little bit on here, I think. Yeah, there we go. Those two are roughly in line with each other. Kind of parallel to the top edge. That's kind of parallel to the bottom edge, and that's kind of parallel to both edges. again, I'm still trying to work out how much I'm going to take out here. To decide whether that's it or not. Put little corners on. So that piece is going to come out, and that piece is going to come out. It's not bad, it's not bad. Okay, and this is me doing the other side. Obviously I've measured all the distances now. Try and get this side the same as the other side. Measure again of that side. Okay. Let's move down a little bit. Nearly there on this side now by the looks of it. The sharp-eyed among you may notice a fatal error in this piece. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll notice I correct it later on. What's that? Oh, here we go. So you can see I've started the cut. I'm going to cut both sides at once. I like to live dangerously. Here we go. Obviously I've speeded this bit up, I can't actually saw that quickly. Getting there. That's pretty much it. Just snap those corners out. And there we go. That's that piece off. Okay. Looking good. And here we go, I'm taking that piece out now. As you can see, the shape's changed slightly. I moved the right hand side away from the wheel arch, so there's actually metal there. This is me drilling it out, drilling holes, and then with a file, straightening the edges up. And I've moved on a bit now. All the holes are cut out. There's a few body markings on here. I think it must be for lining up the decals, and there's a like box shape there. They all need taken off. That's a decal line there. Box shape there. That's a decal line there. So I start off with this diamond coated bit in the Dremel, just to try and take the thick off the airlines. It's quite aggressive, so I've got to be gentle. And I've moved on a little bit. Got this scour and sponge bit now. Quite like them compared to the wired brushes. They're much nicer to use. You can see the primer's changed colour to a light grey now. And that's pretty much it. Now to give the tyres a bit of a wheel wash with the black wheel wash that I keep handy. Make them all nice and shiny. Like brand new. That's the hubs painted silver. and there's the completed wheels and hubs together. Looking very nice there. Ready to put back on. Okay, now I used the usual Tamiya fine surface primer this time round. I have been using different stuff recently. That's the frame there, as you can see, fully primed, ready for the next coat. For this coat I'm using X11 Chrome Silver, and there we go with silver on. Quite nice. I did rush the paintwork on this one to try and get it out before September the 1st, but I didn't get there. That's the tailgate I got. Bit of a rough casting, but it'll have to do. And finally I'm using X23 Clear Blue. And here we go. That's the final coat of Clear Blue on there. Bit patchy in areas, but it'll have to do. Like I say, I rushed it a bit. So that's it, ready for the decals. And here are some of the decals I'm going to be putting on. It's not all of them, and I'm not going to show you me putting them on because I'm keeping that for the final reveal. So let's start off by putting the top deck back on the transporter, using 2 nails in the pillar drill as always, a bit like the axles, which you'll see straight after this. Couldn't get a pair of pliers onto this pin, so I had to hold it in my hand. Came out reasonably well. And here's I'm doing the rear axle. That's pretty good. Doesn't take much. Yeah, and here's the front axle going on. Again, I couldn't get a pair of pliers on this one, so I had to rough it. But there we go. And there's the base finally assembled. Wheels all roll now, that's great. Here's the interior. As you can see, I've painted this like matte grey colour. Not a lot of other details on there. A little bit of silver on the steering wheel. Just sits in there like that. So I'm not showing you the rest of the assembly, I'm going to go straight to the final reveal. As you remember, when it first started out it was this green colour. Details were a bit scratched off. Wheels had red hubs and they were all loose, as they always are on these cars. The axles were all rusted on, the wheels wouldn't turn on the axles. Paintwork wasn't too bad. Rear door was missing. Interior worked okay. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Just fitting onto the turntable. It's a beautiful blue colour now. The chrome silver underneath the clear blue makes it look fantastically metallic, which is great. I've overdone the decals slightly, but never mind. Got the channel name on there, got the TDR Racing name on there, giant sized number plate on the back, rear tail lights, a lot of sponsor logos, bit of detail on the front, indicators, headlights and grille, and obviously the channel logo on the back there, and on the side doors. All in all, I'm really happy with that, it looked great. So what have I learned from this one? It's the first time I've done DIY decals. I'm quite happy the way they came out. And putting the clear decals on the blue obviously changed the colours of some of them. So I've learned that. All in all, I'm really happy with it. I think couldn't have really done it any better, I don't think. Number plates were rather large. So I've got to thank Deep Junk Garage for calling out this challenge. I've watched pretty much all of the other videos and they've all been fantastic. Some of the paintwork's been unbelievable. Some of the modifications have been like out of this world. I'll put all the links to the other videos in my description below this video. If I miss you out, drop us a line and I'll add you on. What's coming up next? As you remember, I've got the Cortina to finish. It's 99.9% done, and I've just got to do the final spin and the video edit, and that'll be out very soon. And following that, it'll be this budgie number 7 Mercedes-Benz, a nice easy one for me. That's going to look great. So if you want to send us anything, there's my address, email, if you want to drop us a line, anything at all. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe, share, stick something in the comments, good, bad, not ugly. Anyhow, that's probably it for now. Till the next time, goodbye.